Available in CSK Blue, DC Blue, KKR Thunder Purple, MI Blue, RCB Black, Active Black, Neon, Ocean Blue, Raging Red, Blazing Yellow, Teal Green and Navy Blue color variants. The box includes Rockerz 255, additional earbuds, charging cable, user manual and a warranty card. It comes with 1x1x45 cm dimensions and weighs just 26 grams. It has an attractive ergonomics with a comfort fit. Built with premium materials including metal housing earphones and chrome accents, it comes with magnetic ear tips that is lightweight, sturdy and stylish. It has IPX5 rating, water and sweat resistant. This boAt Rockerz 255 pumps out your favorite tunes with powerful HD sound and deep boosted bass. It is compatible with Android and iOS. This wireless headset is powered by Qualcomm CSR8635 chipset that provides the features of Bluetooth 4.1 version. It comes with 110 mAh lithium-ion battery that provides up to 6 hours playtime and 45 minutes of play in just 10 minutes of charging.